How to recover deleted Google Chrome history. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to check or recover deleted browsing history on Google Chrome step by step. It's super simple, so let's get started. To start off, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. This works whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer. Now tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Then select History, and after that, tap Clear Browsing Data. For this demo, I'll clear the last hour of my browsing history, so I'll select that time range and then tap Clear Data. Now let's try to view the deleted history. Open Chrome again, and in the search bar type My Activity Google. Hit Search, and the first result should be myactivity.google.com. Tap to open it. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that was used while browsing. Once you're on the My Activity page, scroll down a bit. You'll see a detailed log of your Google account activity, including websites you've visited, search queries you've typed, apps you've used, if applicable. Everything is organized under sections like Web and App Activity, Searches, and Visited. Keep in mind, although you can view this activity here, it won't be restored directly back into Chrome's native history section. If you just cleared your history and you see an undo or cancel option at the bottom, tap it immediately to potentially restore that data before it disappears permanently. If the data is not visible here, you can try checking another device where your Google account is synced, like a different phone, tablet, or your computer. Sometimes the data hasn't synced out yet and might still be accessible through Chrome's history on that device. Unfortunately, once data is fully removed from My Activity and synced across your devices, there's no official way to recover it.